stock on our radar is Voltamp Transformers. This particular company is under pressure after its Q4 earnings. Vamakshi joins us to give us the earnings fine print.
Well, absolutely, Vivek. The stock is under pressure today, but the results were not as bad to merit the fall. In fact, revenue was up almost 14.6% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin has come in lower at 20% as compared to nearly 25.67% that we saw in the previous quarter, and that is because the management had indicated that this was mainly on account of a one-time gain that they had seen in the third quarter, and in fact, management had already said that they would revert to the normalized levels, and they have been saying that since the past 2 to 3 quarters, so nothing surprising out there as well. EBITDA as a result saw an uptick of almost 8.5% on a year-on-year basis. Net profit has actually surged by 22%, and this surge is largely being driven by the growth that we've seen in the other income. The management also shared their outlook with respect to the demand environment, the cost headwinds that they're facing, and they say that the demand momentum is expected to sustain in the near term given economic expansion as well as rise in the government as well as private capex. However, in the near term, with the commodity prices rising as well as the ongoing election, the order closing tempo is a bit slow. They've also said that the inquiry pipeline is quite healthy, but the rising competition, the realizations could normalize. Demand outlook is quite healthy, but they face multiple cost headwinds, and geopolitical situation may actually impact the supply chain issues as well as the logistics cost. They've also gone ahead and announced a capex. The company is aiming for full utilization of manufacturing facility in FY25. They've identified suitable land parcel, and permissions will be in place by June 2024 is what they say. So largely not a bad set of numbers, but definitely the commentary as far as the cost headwinds are concerned may be pushing the stock lower in the trading session today.
Okay, we are talking about higher commodity prices, and that's exactly this company is talking about as well. Thank you so much, Vamakshi, for joining us with those details. Well, let's move on. CEAT is once